Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirajul Faizi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to talk about reaction mechanisms. Overview. Mechanism of reaction gives the information about the process in which the reactants are transferred into products. Mechanism provide the information about whether the reaction proceeds through single or multiple steps, the transition state or intermediate, and the structure of transition state and intermediate. The bond formation and cleavage, if both occurs in the single step, mechanism give their order of occurrence. The stereochemistry of the reactions is also important and any selectivity shown by the reaction. Now, whether the reaction is reversible or not. If two or more products form, whether the reaction shows kinetics or thermodynamic control. So, single-step reaction, also called concerted reactions, conversion of reactants into products, involve only one step. A gives B. A reactant, B product. So, reactant may be more than one. A plus B gives the product. So, annullate hydrolysis of methyl iodide. This is 2 and forming this methanol. Now, multiple steps. The conversion of reactant into products involve more than one step. A gives B, then B gives C, and C gives D. So, hydrolysis of t-butyl bromides in multiple steps. So, mechanism single step reaction has no intermediate and has only one transition step. Mechanism in multiple steps, this type of reaction has n-1 number of intermediate and n is the number of transition steps. So, n number of steps in a reaction, for example, two-step reaction has two transition states and one intermediate. Now, hydrolysis of t-butyl bromide mechanism is SN1 type reaction. Step 1, formation of intermediate. Step 2, nucleophilic attack on the carbocation forming this. This is making fast, this is slow. So, final step, loss of proton to solvent. Now, hydrolysis of methyl iodide mechanism, single step, SN2 type reactions. So, nucleophile electrophile substrates, transition state, product, and living groups. So, SN1 reaction involve two steps, multiple steps, SN2 reaction in single steps. So, transition state, intermediate. What the difference? The transition state is highly unstable, hence its lifetime is very short, zero lifetime. So, transition state cannot be isolated from the reaction mixture. Intermediate are stable, some are even stable for a year, so it can be easily isolated. Lifetime is greater than transition state. Transition state occurs at the energy maxima in the energy profile. Intermediate occurs at the energy minima in the energy profile. So, in transition state, bond formation or cleavage occurs only a particular reference period, and intermediates have complete bond formation and bond cleavage. Now, energy profile. What is meaning of energy profile? The energy profile renders the informations about energies of the reaction. In energy profile, horizontal axis depicts the progress of reaction known as reaction coordinate, RC. RC represents changes in the bond order, bond distance, and the geometries when reactants are transformed into the products. So, vertical axis depicts the energy of the reactions. Now, you can see the progress of reactions are energy. This is transition state, activation barrier, free energy of the reaction, reactant, and product. You can see there are two, del G1, del G2. So, this one is less activation energy, more activation energy. So, reaction preferred through this path. Now, types of organic reaction: substitution, addition, elimination, rearrangement, redox reaction. These are the types of chemical reactions present in organic compound. So, bond making and bond breaking. Bond cleavage and bond formation may be homolytic or heterolytic. Homolytic fusions will produce radicals. If bond is weak, nonpolar, homolytic fusion will occur. Homolytic bond fusion occurs in the same way. You can see here the radicals and methyl radicals forming this bond. So hydrolysis bond fusions will produce ion. Electron move toward the atom which is more strong electronegative than the others. Now heterolytic bond fusions and homolytically nucleophilic. So what is the meaning of nucleophile and electrophile? Electrophiles, electron deficient species, electron loving. Since electron deficient, it can accept an electron pair from the nucleophile to obtain a stable configuration. For example, Lewis acid BF3AlC3ZnCl2 positively large species. In nucleophile, electron-rich species, nucleus loving, it can donate an electron pair to the electrophile, and neutral species having lone pair, water and ammonia, and anion hydroxide and chloride. Now, living groups, what does it mean? A functional group that is eliminated with the electrons of the bond is areaceous. That is the living group. What is meaning of solvent? Used to separate and solvate the ion involved in the reaction. Then activation's energy or energy barrier, minimum amount of energy which molecules must have to react. Rearrangement, migration of an atom or group of atoms from one atom to another within a molecule, intramolecular arrangement, or from one molecule to another, intermolecular arrangements. Now catalyst, the substance which used to change may accelerate or decrease the rate of reaction. This represents the OO bond. Example, hydrogen peroxide and OOH. So friends, I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching. This is the book reference Organic Chemistry by Wade, Organic Chemistry by Caledon, and Organic Chemistry and Intermediate Text Robert B. Hoffman. So my friends, I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.